If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Belinda bum bag. Let me show you some of the wonderful features of this bag. So this bag can be worn numerous ways. You can wear it like a regular shoulder bag like this. You could, if you wanted to, probably wear it around your waist. You can wear it as a front or back sling. It comes with a completely adjustable strap just for that reason. I actually have this on quite small. It is quite adjustable. I have it to about half the size it goes to. It comes in two sizes. This one is the smaller size, and honestly, you could fit a water bottle, like a small water bottle in here. Let me show you. You got a pocket on the back, a small pocket on the back. You have another pocket along the front here. And then a surprisingly roomy pocket here that opens up and nice and wide. So you can see you could definitely fit a plastic water bottle in there and all of your necessities like your keys, wallets, gum, all that stuff in there. I just love it. It can be made in vinyls, canvases, cottons, whatever your heart desires. I can make this for you in. This one's in all vinyl. Yeah, so if you're one of my clients, you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. This one will be available on my website as soon as I get it up there. Yeah, and if you're part of the bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. As well as, this is for the membership side of my YouTube channel, our 2026 sew along course is on there. It's a 2-class course. So if you'd like to check out that and sew your own, that's in real time, you can definitely do that as well. All that information is linked down below where you can find all of those things. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.